Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel if you're a returning subscriber, and welcome if you're new here. My name's Agneta. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and watching my video today. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be doing a Lookfantastic April beauty box unboxing. So if you guys don't know, Lookfantastic are an online retailer which provide lots of different beauty products, from high-end beauty products to affordable beauty products, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing their beauty box subscription. So the Lookfantastic beauty box is an online subscription which you subscribe to and you receive a beauty box filled with lots of different beauty products, and the subscription is £15 for a 12-month rolling contract, and you can cancel the contract any month that you feel like it. You don't have to be committed to it. However, it's definitely one that you would love to commit to, and it's a little bit of a Christmas present unboxing. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you the sneak peek into their April beauty box. Let's find out what's inside. Okay, so as soon as you open the box you receive a magazine, which is the first thing in the box, and in this magazine it tells you all the products which are going to be inside the box and a little bit of a description about the products and what they're for, basically. So if you're unsure about a product that you've received, this book tells you all the information that you need to know about the products. It tells you about the inspiration behind the box. So the April beauty box is the Blossom box. That's the theme of this month's box. This magazine is very useful. After the magazine, the creme de la creme, the product, the first item is the rose infused sheet mask. This is a Beauty Pro product which is in their plant-based range, so it means it's vegan friendly, and it's an anti-aging formula face mask with biodegradable bamboo sheet mask, you know, helping the environment for all the vegan queens. And even if you're not vegan, this can be your way of helping the environment using bamboo vegan sheet mask. So this sheet mask helps to calm and hydrate the skin and helps to revitalize and moisturize the skin. The instructions to use it is: use the sheet mask once you have cleansed your face, and you leave the sheet mask on for 15 minutes. Remove the sheet mask and your skin will be left calm and hydrated. The really good thing about the sheet mask is it's a plant-based, it's vegan, it's anti-aging, it has anti-aging formulas, and it's also calming and hydrating. So for the second product in the April beauty box are these eyelash lashes, and these are a natural eyelash lash from the looks of it, with a winged eye, giving that elongated cat's eye, giving your lashes a fuller look but still looking natural. And there's also a glue which is provided within the lashes. I love when lash companies have glues within their lashes. There's nothing more I hate than when you get a pair of lashes and there's no glue. Like, lash companies that still do that baffle my mind. It's like you really ruin the experience of using your products. But with the eyelash lashes you have lash glue provided, which is really lovely. We're not really going anywhere, but sometimes when you need to just pick yourself up, look nice, get ready for the day, having a nice natural lash is always a nice way of making yourself feel good. And Easter is literally this weekend, so these are definitely ones that I'm going to be wearing during Easter. The third products that we have here is the Glow Exfoliating Softer Kissable Lip Scrub by the company Glow. This is how it looks. Hopefully you guys can see that. So the benefits of using this lip scrub are: leaves your lips feeling super smooth, bigger and fuller, tender and softer after use, and it allows lip balms to absorb better into your lips. Easier for coloured lipstick application. Next product is a Ren's Everyday Skincare Moisturizer, and it looks like this. Let me show you guys. It's a daily moisturizer with enriching power blend of antioxidants, soothing seeds, oils to calm and nourish your skin, designed to protect your skin from dehydration, external aggressions, and to tackle signs of premature aging. And I'm really excited to try out the Ren skincare because I've never tried Ren skincare before, but I've heard so many good reviews about Ren skincare. So for the fifth products that we have here is the Advanced Skincare Pink Orchid Restoring Overnight Serum, and this is how it looks. Hopefully you guys can see that. Perfect. because I normally see a lot of skincare brands and products with pink orchid, but I never really knew like what it actually does. I just thought it was like a random plant in skincare products, but to find out it actually has benefits, which are it improves the skin's elasticity and it plumps out fine lines and wrinkles. Who knew? Because I definitely didn't know that there was benefits of using pink orchid, but now I do. So this book is actually really useful, you know, to find out more about each of the ingredients and products within the Lookfantastic beauty box subscriptions. So for the last products in my Lookfantastic April beauty box is this nail varnish. So this is the Nails Inc London nail polish, and it's in this baby pink color, which looks like this. I can't lie to you guys, I'm really happy about this, because if you guys know me, I'm one of them people who only ever goes for pink nail polishes, so I'm very happy. In this book there's a little description about the Nails Inc product. It's a salon quality nail polish which helps get a professional looking manicure from the comfort of your home. This natural pink color is shiny and highly pigmented. This is such a nice product, especially because right now salons are closed, we can't get our nails done, so to have a nail polish which gives you a salon quality finish is definitely a must-have during this pandemic. So I'm excited to try this one out and to see how well it lasts. I'm tired of nail polishes that chip and break. I'm excited to try the Nails Inc London nail polishes. Guys, those are all the products that I received in my Lookfantastic beauty box. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and join my YouTube family. I would absolutely love that. If you're thinking of trying out Lookfantastic, definitely make sure to head over to Lookfantastic website and get yourself a Lookfantastic beauty box and become a subscriber.